Hello, my name is Laura from Lamplight Crochet. I'm so glad you joined me today. I am going to show you how to make this beautiful table runner. I have made it out of Red Heart Super Saver 4 medium weight yarn in the Bold Stripes collection, and this particular set of colors is called Polo Stripe. So if you want to have the exact same colors that I have here, it gives a nice pop to a room on a table, then you need to pick up 2 skeins in Polo Stripes. And I also have worked with an H hook, which is a 5mm hook, and this measures about 13 by 46.5 inches. I can easily show you how to shorten the length of this table runner. This is a very beginner-friendly project. It is made from the Suzette stitch, which is just a combination of a single crochet and a double crochet. Okay, let me show you how to do this. So after you have made your 47 chain, we need to go into the second chain from the hook. We count from the left of the hook 1, 2, and we're going to go into that second chain and we're going to make a single crochet. In the same stitch again, we will make a double crochet. Okay. Then we will skip the next stitch. We will go into the next one with a single crochet. Back down into that same stitch with a double crochet. We will skip the next stitch and go into the next one with a single crochet, and then go down into the same stitch with a double crochet. So we just keep repeating this pattern all the way across. Skip, and then the next stitch a single and a double. Skip, and then the next stitch a single and a double. I will meet you at the end because we are going to do something specific with the end of this first row. We'll see you there. Okay, we have just completed our first row across. Now when we come to the end of the first row, there will be 1 chain remaining. So we are not going to skip, we are just going to go right down into that last chain and make a single crochet. Okay, so that is how we have finished the first row. The second row will be a little different, but the second row will be the row you continue to repeat until the end of the table runner. So now we're going to chain up 1 and turn our work. And we're going to go directly down into the first stitch, which should be a single crochet. And we're going to make a single crochet, a double crochet in the same stitch. This is the first one we're working in. Now we're going to skip the next stitch. And in the next one, we're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet in that same stitch. Skip the next stitch. In the next stitch over, we make a single crochet and then a double crochet. And so that is how easy that Suzette stitch is. We will skip the next stitch. The next one, we make a single crochet and a double crochet all into the same stitch. We will skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch, we will make a single crochet and then a double crochet. Now, this will be the same as the end of row 1, where when we come to the end, there will only be 1 stitch left, and there is no skipping. You just go ahead and make a single crochet into the last stitch and then chain 1. So that is how you continue this until you reach the very end. Mine is 46.5 inches. You can make yours as long as you want. So you can just stop wherever you want your table runner to stop in length. If you want to make it wider than mine, then make sure that you chain an uneven number of chain stitches. Okay, so that is how we make this table runner, easy as pie. Skip the next stitch, go into the next stitch and do a single crochet and a double crochet and just continue until you reach the very end. So I just love my table runner. It's beautiful. I can put it on any table I want. You don't have to use it in just the kitchen. You can use it in any room that you want. You can put a nice floral display on it or anything that you want to display on it. And you can even use a different set of colors. So I thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this project. We'll see you back here next time at Lamplight Crochet.